But you can see, subhanAllah, brothers and sisters, the Palestinians, we have not seen people stronger and more resilient than them. There are others, yes, but to that extent, subhanAllah. They see their children dying in front of them. They are torn to pieces in front of them. They are losing everything in front of them from materialistic world. And yet, did you see any one of them even for once, just a little bit, doubt or become weakened in their faith and their cause? They keep going. They keep going. And that's what's frustrating the state of Israel. That's what's frustrating them. These people just don't give up.